another Reborn baby accessory video. I'm going to show you how to customize your comb and brush set and also how to make a pacifier just for your Reborn dolls. I will show you two ways, one for an open mouth baby and also for a closed mouth baby. With that being said, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now we are going to do the comb and brush set for our Reborn baby. All right, now you can rock with it just like this if you want, but if you want it to match the rest of your accessories, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, it's super simple. You're going to take your acetone, which is nail polish remover, but it has to be 100% acetone, okay? See? And we're going to take our cotton balls, and all we're going to do is take that image off. Gonna rub that image right off. You might need to use some elbow grease, but it does come off, you guys. Try not to get a whole bunch like I just did, just one little bit, because you don't want it all over the bristles and stuff. See, it comes right off. Just gonna wipe it dry. Okay. There you have it. There you have it, nice and clean. Okay, once you do that, then you just want to take a sticker. And remember, we're going to rock with Agnes. I'm just going to take the sticker of her. I'm gonna get her off the thing. Okay. Okay, here she is. Get that out the way. There she is. So we're just gonna stick her up on there. Might be too big. I think I made her too big. That's alright, I'm gonna trim her up once we get her on there. So my X-Acto knife and clean up the sticker a little bit, kind of all over the place. That piece right there. Just take my X-Acto knife and cut that up out of there, like that. And you see how that piece is hanging down? I'm cutting this as well, so I can kind of clean that up. Cut right you go. And around the horse. Still got some. Okay, here we go. There she is. Just cleaned up the sticker a little bit. We're done. And that's all you gotta do with the comb and brush set. Now, if you want to seal it, again, use your bright tone. I got my other video that you can check out to go in more details about how to do your comb and brush set. I will leave the link in the description box. But you good like this for your reborn baby. All you need to do is put a sticker on there. Boom. That's it. Comb and brush set. Okay, you guys, now we are going to make a pacifier for a reborn baby doll, okay? So, here's our pacifier. It's a regular old little pacifier that I grabbed from the dollar store. And we're simply going to take a sticker. Super simple, super easy. And place it right on top. Now, let me see. Hold on a sec. Line it up for you. Oh, I just dropped it. Okay, so here's our sticker, and I'm simply, let me zoom so y'all can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna put it on there just like so. Good enough for me. So you just want to get a sticker that fits around your pacifier just like that. Now, if you want to seal it, all you're going to do is use your, can you see what it looks like? That's the pacifier. Now, if you want to seal it, you can use your bright tone to seal it. But you really don't need to seal it if you ain't trying to get it wet. Okay? So, that's the pacifier. All right? Now, we're going to change this part. Now, for an open mouth baby, all you have to do is cut the nipple like this, just a little bit off of the tip like that, and then cut the sides just like that, cut down just like that, cut that off. Oop. And then you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. I'm just going to flip it around so it's easier for me to cut. And cut the other side as well. Just a small amount. Don't go crazy with it. Start small and then try to fit it in your baby's mouth. And if you need to cut more, then do so. That's it. And then put it, that's all you have to do. put it in your baby's mouth, and boom, that's for our open mouth baby. Now we're going to do a closed mouth baby. And the baby doll usually has a magnet inside, right? So what we need to do is remove this whole part right here. I'm just going to pull, and I'm actually going to use my X-Acto knife right here. So y'all got to be careful. So I'm just going to simply pull. And move all this stuff out the way so you can see. Please be very careful. And I'm just going to cut it as close as I can get it. There we go. Just like that. Boom, there you have it. Now you want to take a magnet. Now I recommend getting magnets off of Amazon, the little circle magnets, but they didn't have that when I went to Walmart. This is all they had. They had the magnet strip, so we're going to rock with this for today. So all I'm going to do is take the strip and just cut off a little piece. Just like that. Boom. Now it already have a sticky backing, but I'm going to reinforce it with some glue. I'm going to use my hot glue. If I can get the backing off of it. There we go. So I'm just going to put a little... Actually, before I even put some glue on that, see how it's that two little holes right there? I know y'all look like, dang, what's wrong with her glue gun? Yeah, it's a mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill that hole up and fill that other hole up, just like that. All right. Then I'm also going to put a little bit of glue on the sticky side, just a dot. That's good. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to stick the magnet on there. Boom, just like that. Push it down on there. And there you have it. Now, you guys spend a lot of money on them Reborn dolls, so we have to protect it. So all you're going to do is take a piece of felt, and we're just going to glue this felt right on top of that pacifier, because you don't want that magnet to mess up the paint on your doll, okay? So I am going to simply take my hot glue and just go around in a circle. Just a little bit. That's all you need. Kind of move quick because it dries quick. I try to get it as close as I can. Just like that. And we're going to stick it on our pacifier. And we're just going to push down the sides around the magnet. Can y'all see what I'm doing? So just push it down and around on the sides. Boom. And there you have it. Your baby pacifier is all ready. That is how you make a reborn baby pacifier.